Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly paint or stain your fence to keep it looking great for years. Let's get started. First things first, you choose the right day. Aim for a dry, mild day with no wind. This ensures your paint or stain dries evenly and properly. Step 2 is preparation. Clean the fence thoroughly using a pressure washer or a scrub brush to remove dirt, mold, or old peeling paint. This helps the new finish adhere better. Next, check for any damages. Replace or repair any rotting boards or loose nails. A solid foundation is key to a long-lasting finish. Step 4. Choose your paint or stain. For fences, semi-transparent stains offer protection while showcasing the wood grain. If you want a solid color, opt for outdoor paint that's weather-resistant. Now it's time to apply. Use a brush, roller, or sprayer for even coverage. Start from the top and work your way down, applying in sections to avoid drips. Finally, let it dry. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for drying times. Once it's dry, check for any missed spots and touch up as needed. And that's it. You now know how to properly paint or stain your fence. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.